Saying I love you is not the words I want to hear from you.
It's not that I want you not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel.
More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say
that you love me,
'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real.
Pride ponoć, ko gorijo leše sveče, spet te poljubim, vošim ti veliko sreće. Meni je dana, ko poljubim te drhteče. Ti naslednji dan šla boš do vekam, ne da bi sploh kaj slutila. Jaz pa bom ostal, sebi zakopal ta silvestrski poljub.
What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying,
You know,